Happy Saturday! Naligo ako ng maaga. Yung Alice! Alice! Come get the bowl here, please. Alice, come. Kakain sila ng breakfast. Work ako today 9. Axel! Say, thank you, Mom!
Thank you, Mommy.
Oh, you're welcome. But you forgot. You're younger than me. Oh, Gucci. Nah, the Super Mario. We need to wash that Super Mario.
What?
Yeah, because you need to wash it. You wash and wear that one. Oh God.
Why do you wash it?
Oh, I need to wash it. Ask your dad to wash. Kagabi. Yo guys, yung mga pinagluluto ko kagabi is andito. Sabi ko kay Mister, wag mo siyang ilagay sa ref. Malamig naman sa labas. Kaya ayan, nandito yung isda ko na sa resado. And hala, ako ang adobo. Nakatulog na guys. Tingnan nyo yung mantika dyan. Naligo pala ako ng maaga guys. Wash hair ako today. And naglagay na din ako ng konting eyebrows and foundation. Naglagay na ako ng sunblock, moisturizer. And ready na yung aking face. Ano na lang ang hindi ko nalagay? Lip tint. Lip oil. Yes. It's really good morning. What happened to Mama's laptop lang? Why the apps on the dock are gone? This one. Why is gone? New eh? But before, it usually come out like that, right? Or this is the new app? Or the new update? Or may ginawa ka? Yung si Alex kasi guys, marunong na din dito sa akin ang laptop. 9 ako today guys. Time check, 7:28. May na-edit na ako last night. So, yan ako lang natin. I-reconsidered na i-review. May i-reconsidered reviews. But, mahaba-haba yung aking vlog, which is, umabot ako ng 25 minutes. Car wash. Nag-car wash na ako nito. Magbibihis lang ako, guys. Kumain na sila kanina. And, paisot natin. Ito palang mga pinagbibitay ko dyan is ibalik natin yan, no? Kalasog sabon, laban ng laba. Ibalik ko lang to kasi, pinang-entrance ko lang naman to at saka exit sa work. May uniform ako doon sa work. So, kaya entrance lang siya. Kagabi, pagdating dito, then, nagpajama. Oh. Ngayon, balik ulit. 3 uses to, no? Makikita niyo ko, guys. Paulit-ulit yung aking damit. That's okay as long as malinis and hindi tayo mabaho. Wait. Speaking of mabaho, deodorant. Para mabalik pa natin itong damit tomorrow. Hindi ka nakaglagay ng deodorant. Parang hindi mo siya mabalik kung mangamoy. Okay. Paubos na pala yung ano ko guys, yung lipstick ko. Nag-order ako ng lipstick. Wala na siya, hindi na siya makulito. Maglagay ako ng relo kasi mag-change na yung weather, time pala, hindi weather. Yung time namin tomorrow mag-change na. An hour forward sa spring, no? Lapit na. Kasi sa winter, 1 hour, ano kasi kami, backward. Ngayon, i-change naman yung time. Uy, hala, si Mr. nandito na. Nagbabala man yung aking axle, guys. Lang, come here! Your mama put here, and then you're gonna zip it up. Up. Come on, zip it up. Good job, buddy. Which one? Anyone beyond reach? It's okay. You eat already. Just send mommy to work. Gosh. You students today. Let's go to work. Naglalakad na ako, guys. Dito patungo sa trabahoan. Come on in. Saturday and start ako ng early. See you later. It's a rainy day, guys. Basa yung daan. Rain, 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 raining. 5:30 yung out ko. Maaga yung start ko kanina, 9 o'clock. So yung aking out din is 5:30. Waiting na lang ako sa kanila. They're not yet here. Diyan ko bukas pa yun. Plano ko palang kulayan yung aking buhok. Yung pure na top. Kulayan na natin lahat. Guys, nandito ako sa Junko 2. Naghanap ako ng hair color. Meron sila o sale. Oil powder ko. $8.99 lang. Kaya lang. Isa na lang. I need 2. Hair color. Dito guys, ang dami. Nandito ako sa shampoo section. Naubusan na ako ng conditioner. Kuha ako ng Dove, guys. So, meron na pala akong napili na guys. Ito oh. And then kukunin ko yung isa doon na sale. Saan na ba yun? Ito siya. Bayad lang tayo. May iba na yung color ng aking buhok. Saan bang bayaran dito? Oh? Nawala ata ako. I am there. Hello! Hello guys! Bahay na guys! Kain lang tayo bago ako magkulay-kulay sa aking buhok. Conditioner. Adobo natin. Ito ang aking iulam. It's okay Alex. Mama will give us. Luto na yung rice. There you go. Pinainit ko na din yung karne sa microwave. Come sit. Here, next to me. Alright. Kain! We share. Okay.
Oh là là,
Allez.
double faute. C'est la pression, là, je oublie.
Oh, Rublev, long time.
Non, mister.
Yo guys! Yuda? Nabihis na ako guys kasi dinala ko na po yung you're not sure for what? Yung aking pang hair color. Mama will color the hair. Okay. This is, I think it's the after wash.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yes, we have 5 inside the box. So here is the instruction on how to prepare.
Take a glove.
Yeah, we're gonna take
Take
it.
a glove, mommy.
Yeah. It's for mom, okay? Mama will do it. So first, we're gonna open this one. And we're gonna put this one.
6.
We're gonna use it all, okay?
Hey! Those pieces here.
Yes, Mama is going to color the hair.
Spoon.
And then this is for garbage. Give me.
Oh, no.
This one.
Spoon it.
And
Bring the hair.
is it this one? No, that's for mom, okay? Oh wait.
Put away.
How to open this twist? Oh, it's not spicy.
Is it spicy? Toothpaste. Mommy.
Nilagay po natin yung number 3. Lang, you need to put your pajama in the laundry, okay? How many days is that now? Sarap ng adobo.
What, mommy?
Nalungag talaga ako ng kanin talaga.
Go!
And then, shake. English. How many minutes ba itong i-shake? I don't think so we need this. Kasi meron kasi ditong if you are applying only sa roots or yung ano lang, all over application. All over lang. Dito lang yung sa akin guys. Alice, go outside. The smell is not good. Applyan ko yung may kulay lang. Apply natin yung itim. Go outside lang. Mama is doing the hair.
Sit down toilet.
No.
Yes.
You want to poo? If you want to poo, you just sit down there and rest. If you want to poo, use the other toilet, okay? Mama is here. Simpleng solusyon. Hindi ko lalagyan yung sa taas kasi yung sa taas. Ano na yan ang aking hair color. Not even sure na itim talaga to lahat. Na. Ay, pila. Kailangan ko. Para hindi mo makita, akala puti lang. But after that, magkukulay talaga siya. Magda-darken talaga siya after. Kaya niya wala lang. Kasi pag matapon, parang wala lang naman. Later on, maapekto na yung color. Ang bilis niyang naging itim, I think. Itim na yung kabila. Is it? Oo, itim na siya, guys. Oh, here. Ito matapang to dito. Meron pa siyang kulay. Buhok ko na itim. Kinulayan ko ng DIY. Ngayon, pinabalik ko naman ng kulay na itim. Ito hindi ko to siya isali yung aking bangs kasi natural hair color ko talaga yung hanggang. Wait, double check ko nga dito sa likod. Natural hair color ko talaga. Yo guys! Nabanlawan ko na po yung aking buhok. And half dry ko na po iyan. Iyan na po yung resulta ng aking pa-hair color, no? I think I need to cut little bit yung bangs ko. Ako lang din po yung nagtitrim ng aking bangs. Lahat na DIY ko na lahat, char. Parang hindi manusok. Huwag naman sana masyadong maiksi. Guys, magpapasalamat pala ako sa lahat mga nanonood ng aking videos. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for visiting my channel. Thank you for taking time. God bless. New hair color. Ano siya? Pag tingnan mo, parang ano na siya. I'm alive like awake into just think.